Hello, welcome back into the Schematic channel. Now in this channel I'll show you how you can download the DipTrace software for the free use like a trial version. Now that is the web page where you need to become for downloading the DipTrace, and there are the trial DipTrace 5.2 trial for Windows and all feature and libraries for 30 days. So it is only. So now we need to be install this one. Okay, this give us a 30-day trial, and I make sure that link of web page in the description so you can directly access that web page. Now most of the operating system is 64-bit, so click on it. If you don't know that your PC or laptop is 64-bit or 32-bit, so go into the system, then check it out. Downloading is start. It's take a few minutes, and after that I show you how we can install it. That is the software which is downloaded right now. Click on it and run as administrator. Click on run. This extracting files process is start right now. Now the software is running right now. Click on the next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. You can change the destination. Click on next, and again click on next. So installation is start. So it's take few minutes. After that we see how we can run it. Now launch the program file. I want to be launch it, that's why I tick mark on it and then finish. Now here you need to be choose you want schematic capture, PCB layout, component editor, pattern editor, which want to be you run. So I click on PCB layout. So it's mentioned this is the trial license and expire on November 4 2025 after a month. So we just be click on evaluate. Now that the DipTrace software is running, and I'm open this PCB layout right now, and you can make your PCB in here. So I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe to the Schematic channel, and there are a lot of softwares downloading videos for the trial versions, and also there are a lot of playlists related to the Proteus, MATLAB and other softwares. You can check it out on my channel, and please share and subscribe this channel. That's very helpful for me.